This is another follow-up on the bird's nest. Jennifer told me there is a bird actually on the nest, so we're going to go check it out. Well, the grass doesn't need cutting yet, that's good. Right, we're going to come up to the nest. I'm not going to get too near, just in case it scares the bird off. I can see something in there actually. It looks yellowy, like a yellowy colour. Gotta get a bit closer, I don't want to scare him. Yep, he's not noticed me yet. We'll have a look. Get a bit closer. I'll just gently pull some leaves up so we can see what's there. Oh, there he is. Sat on the nest. And he looks to have two babies on his back. Wow. That's cool. I better leave him alone. I don't want to scare him.